Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fiverr app weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about the application of Fiverr and we click. In this page of app on follow we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. And thank you for your watching.